for landing. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Manchester Airport, where the local time is just approaching 25 past 9 in the morning. That's making us half an hour ahead of our schedule. The outside temperature is 12 degrees. To continue comfort but mainly safety, please do remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has arrived on our parking stand and the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off around the cabin. When you are free to move around the cabin, and you do go to open the head locker space, please just take care in case any items may have moved around during the landing. Before you do leave us today, please do ensure you've got all your personal items with you. Have a little look around your seat area one more time to ensure you've got everything from your seat pockets and everything. When you do leave the aircraft today, you will be guided towards passport and immigration control. You'll need to have your passport ready for inspection. For passengers who are transferring to another flight, if you follow the transfer signs, this will take you into the departure lounge for your next flight, unless you have to pick up your baggage. Once you have cleared passport and immigration control, you'll go downstairs to the baggage reclaim hall. Once again, your flight number is the MT2849 to find out which carousel your baggage will be available from. I'd like to thank you for not smoking on today's flight to Manchester. Please do refrain from smoking until you're outside Manchester Airport's terminal building and only in the designated smoking area. It just leaves us to say on behalf of Captain Alan Novelli, Captain David Crichton, myself Laura, Sean, Lindsay, Nicola, Grace, Charlotte, Shane, Christopher, Lauren and Mark. It certainly has been our pleasure to have you on board this evening's flight. We do hope that you had an enjoyable flight with Thomson Airlines. If you are returning from your holiday, we hope you had a fantastic holiday. And if you're coming to the UK to visit, please do have a fantastic time in the United Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again, and please do drive home safe. A very good morning.